北海道で働く24歳トレーラー運転手。暖房の効いたトラックでアイス食います。
She know how to be a straight savage. She work out so her body, you just gotta have it. She all about fitness, baby, we gon' start a habit. Cardio, here we go, yeah, we getting at it. She could drop it low, way down to the floor. Got that arch in her back, made me crave even more. Yeah, she move